Hello, good morning, everyone. So today we will be starting our Python course. So I need to brief out what is Python, what are its properties, what are its features, what are its applications. Everything will be discussed in this session. So yeah, we can begin with Python overview now. So what is Python? So Python is an high-level interpreted, interactive and object-oriented scripting language. So Python is known as a scripting language with the following properties as high-level, interpreted, interactive and object-oriented. So what exactly these terminologies means? So I have explained each and everything. So here we can have a look each one by one. So Python is an high level language. So why Python is considered as high level language is because of its ease of readability. Since Python is a language which is almost similar to an English. Like for example, you could able to read in a very good ease. So hence it is known as high level language. And even English is one of the common language which can be used for communication. And even it is considered as high level. So right now, as of now, Python is used as high level language based on its readability. So interpreted. So Python is also called as interpreted language. Since source code of Python program is converted into bytecode, then it is executed by the Python virtual machine. Hence it is interpreted language. So it means a Python program, whatever the user writes the Python program, right, it will be converted into byte stream like bytecode. So the bytecode will be 0, 1 and it can be done with an Python virtual machine as an interpreter. It acts as an interpreter for the conversion of an Python program into bytecode. Hence it is known as interpreted language, where interpreter plays a major role while converting an user program into bytecode. So this is the reason why the Python is called as interpreted language. And interactive language. So since Python is also called as interactive language because in Python prompt, a user can interact with an interpreter directly by writing some programs. For example, you could be able to give some inputs and he will be getting the outputs. In this way, the interaction happens between the user as well as the Python interpreter or Python prompt. So hence it is known as interactive language. Object oriented language. So Python is known for its object oriented language since it will define classes and objects. So we have considered it as object oriented. So in the object oriented, you could able to define the class and we will be creating an object in order to call the defined class. So for this purpose, object oriented Python is considered as object oriented, and we will be discussing object oriented concepts in the future of this session, where you could able to look into classes, objects, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction. So each and every concept will be covered there. So as of now, we have discussed what is Python and what are its properties. So these four are its properties which make it as one of the outstanding or outshot projects in the current market. Now let us move into features of Python. What are the features of Python? So Python is easy to learn. As I said, it's an high level language. It is easy to learn and read. So hence these are the two major properties or the features which make the Python as an high level language and easy to maintain. Since the readability is very good and you could able to make the changes based on its inputs. For example, if an user want to make some changes, he could not able to get confused with the syntax of the Python, because it's very easy to look back into the code and easy to read. Hence we could able to maintain it. So and it is an interactive. So as I said, you could able to interact with the Python, whatever it is asking, you could able to give an inputs. So based on that, so you could able to interact with Python prompts or Python interpreter. So these are the few features of Python. So now let's move on to applications of Python. So the applications of Python is mainly used in web development and mobile application, data science, machine learning, AIs. Its applications is wide and vast since in the current market. So the effect of Python is booming like anything. Like it's an outstanding language as of now, and even you could consider it will be the futuristic language. in the future, because it has large of impact, application impact on each and every sectors, in terms of web, mobile, data science, machine learning, AIs. So everywhere its impact is in high range. So you could able to consider Python is one of the good language, and which will be having very long, which will be ruling for long period of time in the IT sectors as well. So hence I could able to say Python is one of the good and futuristic language as of now. That's all with respect to Python overview, and we have discussed all the things. Thanks.